we've come a long way, and now we're at the top of the stack. So if you remember, we started with transistors, and then we moved through digital logic and computer organization, instruction sets, and we've just covered assembly language programming. Well, now we're at the top. We're going to talk about apps or application programming. Now, we're going to use as an example high-level language the language C. Now, the reason we've chosen C is because it's easy to translate, to see the translation between something in C and the assembly language code that we've already done. Now, if you've never programmed before, we're going to get a flavor for the C programming language. This is not a full-blown programming course. You'd want to take one of those to learn more. But what you're going to see is you're going to see how easy it is to write in a high-level language compared to assembly language. And this is the reason that these languages exist, because it's just much easier, it's more productive as a programmer to write something in a language like C rather than writing LC3 assembly where you need to worry about registers and memory addresses and all those details. Those are all abstracted away in a high-level language. Now, if you have programmed before, what you're going to see is how your high-level language programs can be translated down to the assembly language that we've already seen. So we're going to act as a compiler or interpreter in this module. We're going to see some high-level language C programs, and we're going to translate those down to LC3 assembly. So by the end of this module, you'll have the full view of the stack, from transistors all the way up to high-level languages. So let's get into it.